living my dreams, living my dreams, living my dreams, living my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why wake up?
Guys, it's cut to I think 10 ebusuku. Yeah, ngilale ngizaba lokuthi 12 hours izolo bengisebenza night bengikhathele plus ngoba bengiyolanda imoto emini and bengisebenza night and then ngavuka ngayolanda imoto. Ngizange ngilale kahle then mangibuya nga-editha kune vlog engiyipostile. Yo guys, yo isupportini ngiyabonga kakhulu nje. If usengakayibuki ngicela uhambe uyayibheka la bengilanda khona imoto yami. And then bangiphe ngifuna uku-unboxa nani le gift le abangiphe yona. Ngiyathandaza kube ne-champagne nyana la. I-gift iphuma ngalona ilokho ama-cake. Okay, iphuma nama-cake kuba ma-lazy. Yo, angisomuntu ezinto ezini. This ivaliwe. Ngihamba nawo ngemsebenzini. So kufanele ukuthi bendane sokayilona. The next ila bese kuba i-cooler box ibhaliwe Suzuki. Yeah. Ilokho.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling a midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
So guys, bengisebenza night ngihleli la emotweni. Ngilinde ukuthi kushaye u8 or kusondele ukuthi kushaye u8 ngoba ngifuna ukuya eChina Mall. Kune China Mall la eBroma. Ngifuna ama-curtains ngoba ngizoya ekhaya. And ngishiya ama-curtains asekhaya enjani. Bewahlekisa yo. So ngiyofuna wona manje. And bengifuna ukuya eJozi kahle kodwa ngeke ngikhona ukudrive eJozi ngoba ngisengakajwayeli ukudrive and ngiyasaba. 8 useze washaya.
Can we trace the stars above to let us know? I'd go. You only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind.
Guys, I hope ni right. Namhlanje ngikhaya. Ngihambisa imoto ekhaya. Yo, hangazi ukuthi ngifile kanjani. Ngoba ngiyi-new driver and ngizodrive long distance ngiyi-1. But ke sithemba uNkulunkulu entweni eziningi siyathandaza. Sizobona kule vlog ukuthi ikhambe kanjani. Niyakhohlwa uku-like and comment and subscribe.
Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are coming, funny girls walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here fully if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for